All right, what is going on, everyone? Crypto Mac here, bringing you guys another crypto video. Today, we're going to be discussing Sandbox, and I did a video on this coin yesterday, and thought, I'll do a video on Sand. Wait a few days to another video, but of course, Sand has gone even more parabolic. So, got to do an update video. It's sitting currently at its all-time high level of $6.81. I think it might have gone a little bit higher than this, but it's pretty much at the all-time high level. $6.81. Yesterday, it was around $5. $5.40. So it's been making just crazy moves right now. Sand is just going absolutely parabolic, and when you compare it to the rest of the market, it's just running its own race currently. So when we look at it, firstly, we had our bull flag, our first bull flag here, right? And we said this is what we saw, the rise, the big rise from down here, 48%. We saw like a modest correction of 18%. That's a decent correction, right? It looks small, but it's actually a decent correction of 19%. Descending wedge to accumulate, and we went again. We said that was going to happen, and then so this played out. And yesterday I said that, well, I think we were at around the $5.30 range, somewhere in the low $5, and I was saying that likely we see this pattern play out again, right? We could see another descending wedge play out again, followed by another, which would create another bull flag, and then we go again. And that's pretty much exactly what we've seen. And it's happened very quickly. So if we pull this across, that is just so steep, like it's actually ridiculous. So this is what we saw, and I'll play the video. This is what we said yesterday. So we can see the price at $5.30, right? $5.29. And this is what we said. Obviously, all good things must come to an end, so a correction will come eventually. But it might just be another descending wedge we see, right? And create another bull flag. That's the other thing. We could see something like this. It could get to our target, maybe around here. And then, well, I don't, it could be either side, it doesn't really matter. But you can see it get up to, let's say, there. And so like this forms. And then we go again. So you take this line and just simply paste it over here. And we can see it. So we can see, I said, this is what's going to happen. I put the lines around $5.70, and you can see, let me go to the hourly, it's a bit, like a little bit more clear. We hit $5.70 pretty much perfectly, and then we came down to our other line that we had here. So this played out almost exactly as I predicted. I'm not saying like I can just predict the market, right? Obviously no one can predict the market. You can make speculation. You can speculate what's going to happen and base that off probability, which is what I did, seeing that, Sand is moving very parabolic at the moment, and we've seen a bull flag form. It's likely that after we saw another move, that a bull flag could form again, right? Because after a big pump, you're probably gonna need a correction. And mind you, like we had a big pump, right? Look at the second bull flag. So this is the first bull flag here. Look at the second one. This is a 37% pump, which is smaller than the first one, 50%. So diminishing returns has taken place, which as we expect, that makes sense. So it was, actually no, we do it from the top. We do it from the top. So it's 38%, and the correction was 9%, and the correction here was 20%. So the rise is less and the correction is less, which makes sense. So we've seen that. And the second bull flag is now playing out, and we're almost at our target, which was up here at $7.20 level, right? And we're almost there, and we're moving up. When I started this video, we were at $6.82, now we're at $6.91. So as I'm making this video, we're just reaching new all-time highs, and we could hit this level. And then so what we could see is the exact same thing, right? Being another bull flag. Play out again, and we can just keep rising this bull flag until I don't know when. Sand is going very parabolic. I think a big correction is probably required right now, because if you look at it, take it from down here, in 7 days it's gone up 180%. That's pretty big. And the biggest correction we saw was right here at say 20%. So 180% move for the the biggest correction we saw was 20%. We might be due for a bigger correction. And we're about to enter, as I'm talking, we're about to enter this area right now. So we're at $6.96. I might as well just keep recording because we're about to enter this. We might hit like this top line up here and see some resistance and just consolidate for a bit. I don't know. We could just fly through this. Right, when you're in price discovery mode, you can kind of just do what you want. And at the moment, if you look at how steep this is, it's actually crazy. Like, this is 5 hours. 25% move in 5 hours, so 5% an hour. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. We've wicked in it, and we've come down. Maybe there's resistance on this level. Maybe our wedge is giving me something like this. I don't know. I like the other one. Anyway, I'm just making speculation on where this wedge will form, and if a wedge will form to create another bull flag. That'll be three. That'll be a trifecta of bull flags. Should be very crazy. The other thing we're seeing, if we look at it, is that we're seeing more parabolic moves for our first bull run leg. So this one took 2 days and 5 hours from the breakout. If we take it from here, this one was 20 hours. This one's 8. This one's 5 hours. So we're seeing just sharper moves, which is like kind of the opposite thing of diminishing returns, isn't it? You'd expect it to be like more, like over a longer time period, but this is what's currently happening. If we look at Bitcoin, this is the important thing. Sand is making these massive moves whilst Bitcoin is still down at 56,000. The good news is that we're holding support on this line currently, but directly on the line. Meaning the next few hours is going to be pretty important to see what Bitcoin decides to do. What the next day, 12 hours the next day. Hopefully we can get a rise off this. That'd be pretty good. And we could potentially talk about a little W forming there and get back into the sideways moving channel. But to see Sand moving so well against Bitcoin is just really good to see. It seems to be rising again. I'm just really curious to see like if we can break up into this. Break $7 really. We're currently at $6.90. But yeah, Sandbox is just moving really, really crazy. I wanted the video there. Bit of a short one, just a bit of an update. As Sand's just moving ridiculously at the moment. I'll do another video tomorrow probably. If Sand continues to do this, I'll do another video. We'll talk about it, we'll discuss it. We'll see if we land in this another bull flag. This descending wedge, we might land in there, hang for a little bit, and then rise even further. Or, as I said, a big correction may take place, which is probably required to provide healthiness in the markets. Anyway, let me know what you think Sand's going to do. Is it going to go $10, $20? Who knows? Please like the video, comment, subscribe, share the video with your friends, and I'll catch you later, guys. Enjoy.